Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 31 here on season 2. And today we are getting into Robinhood recap, January edition. This month was a battle swing trading. It was just one of those months that I guess I found myself protecting me from experiencing more losses and not really taking a whole lot of profits this month, which I'll get into later on in this episode. I honestly don't know if it was the stock picker that they weren't picking very strong stocks this month, or if it was just the fact that the month has been kind of shaky altogether. I was not happy with the overall account, the way that it performed this month. I would have liked to see a lot better numbers. But before we get into it, I just want to say real quickly that this video is for educational purposes only. It is not meant to be taken as financial advice. It is just my speculative opinion and my journey with investing. So let's go ahead and get into my portfolio. So this is the basic front page that everything happens. Like I always say, everything happens here for stocks and Robinhood specifically, especially swing trading. A lot of stuff happens here. New things that I did this month is I color coded every single type of investment that I'm in. So you got like dividends right here, real estate investment, gold, long-term holds, ETFs. And then my swing trades are right here. The purple is my entry price on every single one of those. And so you guys can go ahead and check numbers and that kind of thing to make sure that I'm like not lying and being transparent if that's what you would like to do. Down here, as far as the overall percentages go, I need to add about $18 more into dividends, which I am right now looking at a few different stocks via value investing that I'm going to potentially buy. And I will bring those to you guys as well with my value analysis and that kind of thing. I can add about 46 more cents into gold, which I can't buy anything currently right now. And then I do also need to add $9.39 to my long-term holds as well as sell off $22. However, a lot of these numbers are going to stay like this. I don't plan on selling off any of my ETFs, which would be the $22. And I already did add another about $6 to FBP. So that will drop down to $3. And then, like I said, I'm still looking for a stock that I plan on value investing that does pay dividends. In one of the last videos, I did mention a few different ETFs that I'm looking to invest in moving into 2018. However, if you're like, what ETFs are you invested in right now? They are listed right here. All of them are going to say ETFs except for the ones that is in the ETFs category, and those are going to be all ETFs. I'm super happy with every single one that I've picked so far. All of them have done pretty good at giving me pretty good returns. Let's go ahead and look at the actual swing trading part of the account, and we'll scroll all the way up to the top so that way you guys can see my actual losses. This month I took a $7.27 loss, and I'm not too happy about that swing trading. And we'll go ahead and scroll down. So here's January. We'll go ahead and top it off with the top 3 ETFs, or the top 3 swing trades this month, starting with number 3, which was UGLD, which is a gold stock. This one I made $3.70 off of. Number 2 is right here, DB. I made $4.30, and then my number 1 pick was $8.82. As far as losses go, my number 3 loss was MCFT, which was $2.46, and then AAOI, which is like a pharmaceutical company, I lost almost $3 there. And then my top loss, which was CNK, which is $2.96. So as you could tell just off of those numbers, I had a lot more losses, smaller losses than I did any gains at all. So I was hoping that getting paid dividends would also help balance out the account, but it only brought me down to back up to like -$7. So as far as dividends month, I made $3.68. Account total growth, I growth on the account $62.33. As far as net growth, I made basically $11.33 on growth, and that percent of growth was basically almost a percent, 0.95%. As far as percent over swing trades, it was -0.61%. So obviously, if that would have been a positive or just even, I would have had a better percent of growth this month. My percent of swing trades to my actual swing trading account, which would be about $400, I lost 1.84%. It's kind of the way that the ball bounces. Not too happy with the overall return on swing trading, but I think that this month we will go ahead and pick back up. Let's go ahead and look at the overall account and the trend starting from November to January. Still doing pretty good, obviously still positive there. I was definitely thinking that I would have got a bigger growth based upon last year's numbers, but I think moving into December, because I had such a huge run up in December, that January was kind of like just compensating for that huge run up. We had a little bit of a correction there. Looking forward into December, well, last year I took a little bit of a hit, and I don't know if that was because I was adjusting my portfolio or just took some bad swing trades, got into too many gold stocks or whatever it may be. But this month, I think that I'll definitely still stay positive. At least that's my hope, and I would hope to break $1,200 moving into February. That would be sweet. We'll go ahead and leave it right there. Let's go ahead and dive into the question of the day, which is, what's your most impressive go-to meal that you can cook? For me, well, my like go-to meal is usually like a rice and then sauteed tofu along with like some onions and maybe some vegetables in there. But as far as like if I'm like, and trying to impress someone, then I'm like, okay, I'm whipping up curry, yellow curry with the rice. Like, boom, hands down, I make some of the best curry you ever did have. You can take that to the bank and cash that check there also. Anyways, like I was saying, if you have questions regarding Stash, Acorns, Robinhood, as well as general investing advice, business, Etsy, coaching, post those questions down below. Don't forget to subscribe up here and check out my cryptocurrency comes to Robinhood announcement. Check out that video right here. And as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.